What does it mean to converge? To innovate, reimagine, accelerate, transform? What if it means doing it all together? To converge and celebrate a legacy of retail transformation. Let's take you back. 4 years of bold ideas. 4 editions that shaped what's next. We watched retail evolve, with cutting-edge tech leading the charge. From vision to velocity, one extraordinary journey. And now, the 5th edition awaits. It's bigger, bolder, and built for rewiring retail at scale. Explore smart operations, customer-first innovation, Agentic AI, and experience future-ready retail tech. This is Converge 2025. Are you ready for the experience?